Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode is this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what these are some face masks. So I'm pretty sure all you guys have some kind of face mask nowadays because of the whole pandemic going on. So I decided to kind of do like a quick review and like a feedback between all the face masks that I used so far, and these four are the main ones I've been using. So there's some reusable ones and then there's some disposable ones. So let's talk about the difference of each one and what's good and what's not good. So let's start with the disposable ones first. So they have like different colors and designs nowadays, but these two are the ones that I have right here. So this is the one that everyone probably been using, and these are the ones that a lot of people are starting to use now. Because of the black color design, I feel like people like it a lot more compared to using like the plain surgical mask that people use in the hospital. So these are good for like one-time use and just roll away right afterward. And then when I feel the material between the black one versus the one that we have right here, the regular ones, the black one actually feels a lot more high quality for some reason than the one that we have right here. I'm not sure if it's because of the material, the one that I got right here for the black one is much higher quality than these. But definitely I would prefer going for the black one versus the blue ones right here because it looks a lot cooler. And like I said, the material on here feels a lot better for some reason than the one that we have right here. Like when you guys look at it side by side, you guys can kind of tell like the difference already. And then this is what the other side looks like. If you can see, it looks better as well. So those are the disposable ones. Now let me show you guys the reusable ones that I've been using. So the one that we have right here is by the 32 Degrees brand, and this is called the 32 Cool face mask. And all we need to do is just like put this onto your face, obviously. So it should look something like this. But the one that I noticed that when I use this kind of mask is that every time I suck in, like when I talk and I breathe in or something, watch what happens. Like this part goes in, it's kind of annoying. And when I use these, it's definitely really comfortable, but I think that was the main issue when I use these kind of masks. But it's definitely really cool because it's reusable and it's washable. So you guys definitely save a lot of money, but definitely the quality will go bad over time when you guys use it more and more. Like if you guys look at the actual face mask material right here, you guys can see that stuff coming out right there already. That's because I wash it too much and the material starts getting like damaged in a way, I guess, or loosened. But even to this day, when I use these, it's still pretty comfortable. It's just that part where I suck in is not comfortable. Whereas the one that we have right here, which is a reusable face mask that is made of, I believe, like polyester and some other materials, that the front part is actually water resistant. These are definitely really nice and definitely has a very secure fit. Like this is basically what it looks like for these. Over time, when I use them more and more and I wash it more and more, I can definitely tell that the material starts to wear and tear a little bit. It's not as good as when I first got it. And the actual metal part right here, when you guys wash it and rinse it, when you guys twist and turn the face mask after washing it, like the metal part right here starts getting bended and everything, and it doesn't get like that secure fit anymore like the ones that they have on the face mask here. And I feel like the first time when I wear these masks, it definitely has a very secure fit. But when I use it more and more and when I wash it more and more, it gets looser and looser. It doesn't get as comfortable, or it doesn't get as like secure fit anymore. Like you guys definitely have the option to like make the string tighter, but even when I do that, it doesn't feel the same compared to the first time as using it. But definitely like the material of the cloth on this face mask that we have right here, it feels really, really nice and super comfortable. And definitely the fact of how these are waterproof or water resistant is pretty cool. So when you guys wash it and splash water on the front side, it actually just comes off, which is pretty perfect, especially when it's like raining. So if any raindrop gets onto it, it just slides off really easily. That's like the same thing for this face mask right here as well, which is pretty cool. And then when you guys use like the disposable ones, it's obviously is not like waterproof or water resistant. So if water gets on it, then it just gets soaked. But definitely when you guys use these face masks, it has a very secure fit. Like once you guys put it on, it just stays in there, but the side is still open a little bit. Let me actually put this on and show you guys what I'm talking about. So once you guys put it on, push it up, secure like that. You guys can see the opening right here. It has a pretty big gap right here. Same thing for other side. So that's kind of like a bad thing about these, but it definitely has a much more like better fit, so that way it won't move as much compared to like the reusable ones once you guys use it over time. And the way to kind of fix this, they kind of like have ways to like twist and turn it to make it more tight, but definitely has a more secure fit when you guys first use this. It's just brand new and you just use it and you throw it away. So regardless of which one you guys get of like disposable ones or reusable ones, each one is perfect for its own purpose. So if I want to just go out and do stuff, I can just wear one of these. But if I'm going to like a barber to like get haircuts or like something else, then getting these is better. So once I use it, I can just throw it away and I don't have to worry about it, because when you guys cut your hair or something, hair is gonna get stuck on your face mask and you don't want to use like a reusable one, because if it gets hair or some kind of bacteria on here, yes, it's washable, but it's definitely better to get a disposable one to use and throw it away. So those are all the face masks that we have right here. There's definitely a lot more face masks out there with different design and different looks to it and different material, but these are the ones I have. But based on what I just showed you guys on what I use on a daily basis to go do stuff like grocery shopping, cutting hair, or just going out about, go for runs or whatever, which one would I say that is worth it? Honestly, I think all these are pretty worth it. Like I mentioned, for their own situation, it really depends on how you guys are using it, where you guys are using it, and how often you guys are using it. So if you guys want to save money, then obviously it's better route to go for the reusable face mask option. So that way, every single time you guys finish using it, let it air dry and you guys can reuse it again. But money is not an issue for you guys and you need to get like a brand new face mask every single time to use it, then definitely go for the disposable one, because those are definitely a much more secure fit if you guys want a perfect fit every single time. Like I mentioned, for like the reusable ones, the material starts to wear and tear over time, so it's not as secure or not as like comfortable when you guys first got it or used it. In terms of the disposable mask, these two, which one would I pick? I would definitely pick for the black one because it has a better design, better look, and the material feels a lot better like I mentioned. In terms of these two reusable masks, which one would I prefer? I think I'm going to stick with the one that we have right here for the reusable face mask, because this one's a lot more comfortable and the face mask doesn't suck in when I actually breathe in like the one that we have right here. Even though this one has a more comfortable and a better fit to it, at least this one, it won't go in when I suck in. So at the end of the day, these two are the ones that I have to go for if I had to pick between 4 of these masks. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't even want or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.